So when you look at everything and nothing is working in your life, hakuna kitu kinafanya, hakuna mipango inafanyika, huduma yako umepigwa na watu, wamekuzingira, wamekuakishia moto, hauwezi hata kutulia. And this is the reason that you have tried to move but nothing is working. God is telling you, don't give up. Hallelujah is about to come. Don't give up. Because when you give up, you surrender before the finish. Hata kama unaambiwa nyumba inaenda kufungwa kesho, don't give up. Hapa ni kama unaambiwa chakula hamuna, don't give up. Hata kama unaambiwa there is no success, the road is close ahead, don't give up. When they tell you that nothing is moving forward, don't give up. When they talk about that you are going to fail, don't give up. When they are saying that you are not going to make it, don't give up. Because there is a plan of God in you that is going to manifest very soon. Wakati wanakuambia now this is the end of you, it is the beginning of you. Because you have to come to the end with mankind. You have to come to the end with Lucifer. You have to come to the end with everything so that God can pick you up. And when God picks you up, he takes you to where he plans you to be. Because God has a good destiny. Ako na mipango mizuri. Destiny yako iko kwenye mikono ya Mungu.